If you've ever had an image that was just a little too small for your design, or you needed to extend the background without ruining the original photo, Canva AI has a really helpful feature for that. In this video, I'm going to show you how to expand an image using Canva AI in just a few simple steps. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and perfect for thumbnails, social media posts, banners, and any design where you need more space around your image. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tips and easy software guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your Canva design and click on the image you want to expand. Make sure the image is selected so Canva knows exactly which one you want to work on. Once the image is highlighted, look at the top toolbar and click Edit Image. This will open the editing panel on the side where you'll find Canva's AI-powered tools. Now, in the editing panel, scroll or look for Magic Expand. This is the feature that helps you extend the edges of your image using AI so it can create new space that blends naturally with the original picture. After you click Magic Expand, Canva will give you a few size options to choose from. You can select Freeform if you want full control over the new image shape, whole page if you want the image to fill the entire design area, or 1:1 if you need a square format. Pick the size that best fits your project and the layout you're working on. Once you've chosen your size, click Expand. Canva AI will then generate the extended version of your image automatically. Give it a moment to process and then review the result. If needed, you can try a different size option or adjust your design to get the best look. That's all it takes to expand an image using Canva AI. It's one of those simple tools that can save you a lot of time and make your designs look much more polished. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Canva tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.